Hi, this is Rahman here back with another video. So this video is going to be the third one, the third video, the continuation of the second. So the last video we have seen how to provision, how to customize the VM through Vagrant file. So today we are going to see the commands which we are going to use for the Vagrant to provision and execute, bringing the environment up, whatever version, checking everything. This will be checking out the some commands, the basic commands. Here I have opened my PowerShell. Let's type vagrant up, vagrant up. So this command brings you the virtual machine power on, basically power up the virtual machine. So the difference you can able to see it over here. So you can see the VM is getting booted up. Type vagrant to see the list of commands we have. Type vagrant to see the list of commands we have. Vagrant. So this will bring up the list of commands you have here. Okay. So we have autocomplete, box, cloud, destroy to destroy or delete the entire vagrant machines. To check the global status, halt, help, initialize the new vagrant environment by creating a vagrant file. So this is the very first video we can see how to initialize the new vagrant environment by creating a vagrant file. Okay. So this packages a running vagrant environment into a box. Check the plugin, just plugins, install, uninstall, update, etc. Provision. This is also would have seen in my second video. Push, DP, reload, resume, snapshot, ssh-config, suspend, upload, validate. You have this also would have seen for validating my vagrant file. So let me show up with this. If you want individual command run vagrant command additional commands are available, but are either more advanced or not used commonly. So to see all the commands you can run the vagrant list commands. So this command can be used. So to list the additional sub commands, so you can use this vagrant list commands. So these are the list of commands we have. Okay, let's so we have completed the vagrant up. Let me check the version. Vagrant version. So here you will be seeing the installed version and the latest version 2.2.18, and you're you are running an up to date version of the vagrant. You can able to see the version of it. Next, what we can see, vagrant status. So we'll check the vagrant status. So you got an output showing the virtual machines running the virtual box. So this particular status shows up the list of available VMs running on this particular location. Okay, to see to any other vagrant file or any other VMs in our environment, or any other subfolder or the subdirectory, you can use this global status. Okay, let me vagrant global hyphen status. Okay, so this will help you to show up the list of machines available. Okay, so this will gives you the machine ID, the default name, the provider name, whether it is running or powered up state. So that you can able to, that you can able to see. Actually it's showing up vagrant here. So let me use this the data is cached and may not be completely up to date, so we can use this one. So actually I can able to see this particular machine, the two machines, the Vagrant course one. So this should not be running, it should be powered off. So because here you can see this is showing a powered off. Let me run the command here. Okay, so this is complete. Okay, so see, once we have run that command, you can able to see this machine is currently powered up now. So you can see after running the Vagrant global status prune, so the entries has been refreshed now. Now you can able to see the machine is being powered up, showing up the status over here. Okay, so this is done now. Let's restart the machine. Vagrant, uh, no, not restart. Maybe let me halt. Vagrant halt. So this is attempting for a graceful shutdown of the VM. So this should make this particular VM to halt. Yeah, can you see now the VM is powered off? We are planning to power off. Let me again bring up the VM. So you can see the Vagrant machine is up now, up and running now. Validate. So this will validate the Vagrant file whether it is good to run. So it shows the Vagrant file validated successfully. This is one of the thing. And mm, okay, Vagrant suspend. This will suspend the virtual machine. So it's taking the virtual machine to its saving state. So see, you can able to see this machine went into this saved state. So let we bring up the machine again. To bring up the machine, we need to use Vagrant resume, which brings up the suspended machine to back to up. So you can able to see. So there is a reason I have opened side by side. So it's getting restored. So again it's back with the running status. The machine got resumed. Then Vagrant reload. So this will restart the virtual machine. Okay, the machine is up now. The next command we are going to see sync. So this sync command basically syncs the host folder and the virtual machine, there's a synced folder. So for that we can use the Vagrant to sync. So if you are planning to destroy the virtual machine or completely, you can able to do that. Before that, ssh Vagrant ssh -config. So this command will show you the host name, the default host name, and the user Vagrant and the port number 2222. So this will help you to connect with the connect to the machine. So that is possible. And if you are planning to destroy the virtual machine or the environment, you can able to do that. Vagrant status hyphen global. So with this will show you up the list of VMs which is running on the environment. So based upon you can able to see the ID and the default name provider and the power off, and one more thing, Vagrant provider. I just got to remember. If you type this one, you can able to see what is the provider you are working. What is the provider you have. So here it shows provider VirtualBox. The VirtualBox. The basically it is in a hypervisor. So you can able to check. So which provider using it, may be an Hyper-V or the workstation, a VMware workstation or a virtual Oracle VirtualBox. So in my case, I am using my VirtualBox. That is the reason I am getting as a VirtualBox. Okay. So if you are planning to destroy, you can able to do with Vagrant Destroy this particular ID. You can use to destroy or delete this particular VM, or simply you can put Vagrant Destroy. So the Vagrant file, whichever the machines you it help you to create with this within this workspace, it will be getting destroyed. See, once I give Vagrant Destroy, this machine should power off and get deleted. It is actually asking for the confirmation. Say yes. I'm giving yes. So forcing the shutdown of the VM. So see, so forcing the shutdown, destroying the VM associated drivers. So see here, you can able to see the VMs get removed from VirtualBox. Okay, so that's it guys. If you plan to bring up the virtual machine, you have the command, basically app status. You can bring it up at any time. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please do subscribe and support. Thank you so much.